What's up, guys? My name's Kevin. I work with Elite Exteriors. My boys are taking lunch right now, so I figured I'd show you some of the build outs. They're in the middle of construction here. This is the Felt Buster. It's the underlayment for the shingles. They got that going. This is what it looks like on your wood when they have the seam tape on the edges of where the plywood meets. It's perfect. Just got to nail some of that down. Coming up here, they're still removing some of your old underlayment. We haven't gotten any ridge vents yet. We're working towards it. This is a bad piece of plywood. They have to replace this whole piece from this corner to here. It's one piece, so we got to replace that whole thing. We got that on the bottom. Yeah, job's going well. Talk to you soon. Thanks.